Hello and welcome to the Video Cracker tutorial. In this particular tutorial we want to show you how to download and convert a video by going to one of your favorite video sharing sites. You see, we have these two options. Once the software is open, we can download and convert a video, or if we would click in this circle, then our choice would be to convert an existing video if you already had one on your computer. For our example though, we're going to download and convert a video from one of our video sharing sites, and so we're going to go to YouTube and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. As you can see, I am at YouTube. I clicked on a video that I wanted to download, and when you click on that video, whatever one it happens to be, you're going to see up here in your browser the URL or the web address of that particular video. And so this is what you want to do, and it doesn't matter if it's YouTube or whatever site you're working with. I'm going to go to the end of that web address and I'm going to put my mouse cursor there. I'm going to left click with my mouse and I'm going to hold the button down. So with the button held down, I'm going to scroll to my left, and you see I'm highlighting this address until I get to the end of it, and now I'm going to let go of the left mouse button. I'm going to put my mouse cursor back over top of any part of the highlighted area, and now I'm going to right click with my mouse and you see a menu comes up. I'm going to go down to the word copy and I'm going to left click with my mouse. I've now copied the web address for my video into my Windows clipboard. So I'm going to shut that window, and now I'm back at the Video Cracker software. You see the button here where it says paste. I'm going to left click on the word paste, and there is the address that I needed for my video. Now we have several choices to make when it comes to selecting the format of the video. The first choice is to not convert it at all and just download it as is. Some people prefer to do this because generally the video quality is going to be better because you're downloading it the exact same way it had been uploaded to that website and you're not changing anything with it. That doesn't mean you can't convert it. In fact, that's one of the things this software is about. You can convert it into the different formats I'm going to show you, but generally speaking, you'll get better quality if you leave it alone. But a lot of times there's good reasons for converting it. In fact, if we're going to use another particular software program to do something with the video, edit it or save it in some way, then we might need to convert it for that purpose. So I'm going to go to this little arrow on the right hand side of where it says no conversion. I'm going to left click and you see a window drops down, and we have several choices of different formats we can convert to. We have AVI, MP4, which is a very common format. In fact, most of the videos you find on the video sharing sites today are saved in that format. We have MP4, and you see it says PSP to the right of that. That is for a PSP for an iPod or any other type of device that uses a small MP4 video. MP3 is an audio format, and if you choose MP3, it will actually strip the audio off of the video, and then you could listen to that on whatever MP3 device you have, burn them to a CD, whatever you want to do with that. We have 3GP, MOV, and WMV. WMV is the format that seems to work best if you're using the free Windows Movie Maker program, and just for the purpose of this demonstration we're going to left click on WMV. So you see what we have. We've chose to download and convert our video. We have pasted the address into this box. We've selected the format as WMV, and now I'm going to left click on the download button. When I left click on that, you'll see that a window pops up, and this is asking me where I want to save the video at. By default, it has chosen my Windows desktop. I could choose any of these other folders or directories. I could make a new folder called My Videos or whatever I wanted to do with that. But for my purposes today, I'm just going to save it to my desktop. You see, we can choose a file name. We can use what it already has there, or I can left click inside that box and use my backspace key back over that name, and I'm just going to rename it My Video. You see it's going to save as a type WMV. Now I'm going to left click on the save button. When I do that, you see this window pops up. It shows it's downloading. As it becomes green, that is the progress that it is making. And as it turns all the way green, it will be completely downloaded. I'm going to check in this little box where it says close this dialog box when download and conversion is complete, just because I don't want to leave it open. Your download speed depends on the size of the file, the type of the file, what site you're downloading from, and how fast your internet connection is. So there's a lot of factors. Some of them go very quickly, others take a little bit of time. You can see the video has now downloaded. I'm doing this in real time, and so what you're seeing here is happening on my screen in the exact same time you're seeing it. And you see that it now says the download is complete, and it's now converting the file. If we had chosen not to convert it, then you would already be done by now. You can see how quick that is. As you see these dark blue and light blue lines going across, that's showing the conversion process. You can see as I was speaking, the little boxes come up telling us the conversion is complete. So I'm going to click the OK button, and we are done. That's all that there is to it. It's a very simple process, and you can be up and running in no time at all. Thank you for watching this tutorial.